Girls can't resist these gestures. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we're talking about the magic of subtle gestures that girls simply cannot resist. Now, it's often the little things that make a big impact, and I'm going to show you exactly what those are. So these simple yet powerful gestures can deeply resonate with women, and by the end of the video, you will know how to make a memorable impression with everyday actions. And don't forget to stay until the very end for a special bonus tip. It's a key skill that ties all of these gestures together and can really elevate your interactions. Now, let's get started. Gesture 1, help with carrying items. Have you ever seen someone struggling to carry too many things? It's a situation we all find ourselves in sometimes. Now, imagine stepping in to help. This simple act can make a big difference. Let's talk about our first gesture, offering to carry items. So when you see a woman trying to balance multiple items or having difficulty carrying something, offering your help is a kind and thoughtful gesture. It shows that you are observant and caring. And this act isn't just about physical help. It represents your willingness to ease someone else's burden. Remember, it's important to ask first. A simple, "May I help you with that?" respects their space and choice. And if they accept, great. If not, just your offer alone can leave a positive impression. This gesture works well because it's genuine and practical. It's not just about showing off, it's about being helpful and considerate. These qualities are attractive because they show you are someone who thinks about others. It's a gesture that can brighten someone's day and make you stand out in a positive way. Gesture 2, casual compliment. Next, let's explore the power of words through compliments. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Here, we focus on giving a casual yet sincere compliment, something that can really make someone's day. Let's dive into how to do this right. A casual compliment is a wonderful way to show appreciation or admiration. Notice something specific about her, maybe the way she's dressed, a book she's reading, or how she solved a problem. Then offer a sincere compliment. For example, "I really like your jacket, it's very stylish," or "I'm impressed with how you handled that situation." Keep it genuine and straightforward. The key here is sincerity. You're not trying to impress, but rather to express a genuine observation. This makes your compliment feel much more personal and heartfelt. Everyone appreciates being noticed for their efforts or style, and a genuine compliment makes people feel valued and seen. It's a subtle yet powerful way to connect, and this gesture is effective because it creates a positive interaction based on real observations, making the other person feel good and appreciated. Gesture 3, share a relevant article or meme. Now let's talk about a gesture that connects through shared interests. It's about showing you remember what she likes. This gesture is sharing a relevant article or meme. It's a simple way to say, "I thought of you when I saw this." Now let's see why this matters. Imagine you come across an article, a video, a meme, or something that's related to a conversation you had with her, or something you know she's interested in. Share it with her with a message like, "This made me think of you," or "I remembered you mentioned this." It's a gesture that shows you listen and remember her interests. Now, this isn't about bombarding her with messages, but sharing something genuinely relevant and amusing or informative. It's a light-hearted way to show you pay attention to what she says and what she enjoys. This gesture is effective because it's personal and thoughtful. It shows you are not just listening, but also connecting her interest with your world. Sharing something that made you think of her can make her feel special and understood. It's a small act, but it speaks volumes about your attentiveness and care. Before we move to our next gesture, I have a quick request for you. If you're finding this video helpful and interesting, I'd really appreciate your support. Leaving a like, dropping a comment, or subscribing to the channel doesn't just help the channel grow, but it also lets us know what content you love, and your feedback is invaluable. It helps shape future videos, ensuring that we bring you more of the content that you enjoy. Plus, we love reading your thoughts and experiences, so please share them in the comments below. Your interaction means a lot. Gesture 4, pet interaction. Now, this is a gesture that animal lovers will especially appreciate. It's about making a connection through pets. If she has a pet with her, asking to interact with it can be a great way to start a conversation. So let's explore why this approach can be so effective. Many people are very fond of their pets, right? And showing interest in someone's pet can be a great way to show interest in them. Approach her and her pet politely and ask, "May I pet your dog?" or "What's your cat's name?" This opens up the conversation in a natural and friendly way. It also shows respect for her and her pet space. Talking about pets can lead to a more relaxed and engaging conversation, as it's a topic, well, that many people are passionate and happy to talk about. Plus, it gives you a glimpse into her interests and personality. Initiating conversation through pet interaction works because it's a non-threatening and genuine way to connect. It shows you're friendly and considerate. And pets often bring out the best in people, making the conversation much more enjoyable and relaxed. It's a gesture that can create an instant bond over a shared love of animals. Gesture 5, ask for a minor favour. Our final gesture is about asking for a small favour. It may seem simple, but it's a subtle and effective way to start a conversation. Whether it's borrowing a pen or asking for directions, this approach can create a natural opening for interaction. So let's delve into how this works. Imagine you are in a situation where you could use a small item, like a pen, a book, or a phone charger. Politely ask her if you can borrow it with a phrase like, "Excuse me, do you have a pen I could borrow?" Now, this gesture works because it's a natural and non-intrusive way to initiate contact. And once she helps you, make sure to express your gratitude and use this moment to start a friendly conversation. It's important, of course, to return the item promptly and thank her again. This interaction shows you are considerate and appreciative, which are attractive qualities. Asking for a minor favour can be effective because it creates an opportunity for interaction based on kindness and cooperation. It's a gentle way to break the ice and engage in conversation. People often feel good about helping others, so this gesture can create a positive and memorable first impression. Bonus tip, active listening and responding. As a bonus, let's talk about something that ties all of these gestures together, active listening and responding. This is a key skill in any interaction, and it can greatly enhance the effectiveness of the gestures we've discussed. It's about truly engaging with what she says and responding thoughtfully. Active listening involves paying full attention to the other person, showing that you are genuinely interested in what they are saying. Now, it's not just about hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. You can show active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and giving verbal affirmations like, I see, that's interesting. Avoid distractions and focus on the conversation. When you respond, reflect on what she has said. This shows that you are processing and valuing her words, which can make a person feel respected and appreciated. Mastering active listening and thoughtful responding is valuable because it deepens connections and builds trust. It shows that you're not just there for superficial reasons, but you are interested in her as a whole person. This approach fosters meaningful conversations and relationships, making it a priceless addition to your social skills. So now that you know the gestures girls cannot resist, take the next step, discover how to get any woman that you want, or learn these seduction skills all men need to master. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights, and thank you for watching.